I'm just about to leave, but I want to show you my hair really quickly because I think everybody knows that this is not how my natural hair looks, and yet this is my natural hair, air dried. And I'm going to tell you how I did it. Let me just put it on. It's still not even completely dry, but it's very silky and it looks really pretty. Easy but pretty. And this is absolutely no heat with the right products and especially with the right drying method. So keep watching. Hey, so I'm back from my Pilates class and I just want to show you how my hair looks at the moment. So all I did was I took it out of the Toga, as you saw. It was still too damp. Usually I would try to leave it until it's almost dry, maybe not all the way dry because you could get some kinks in here where the clips go, but almost dry, and then you just tie it. I just tied it with a hair clip so that there's no kinks, and I just tied it like this. When I took it out, which it was slightly too wet, I tied it like this just to get off any sort of kink that could have happened here. And then I tied it like this because I don't mind. I actually prefer if I have a bit of a curve down the bottom. So I tied it like this in a bit of a tighter way. I roll it, I tie it, and then I went on with my day. I got to Pilates. In Pilates class, I didn't want to mess it up, and I needed the back of my head to put it on the floor, so I used my bubble. This is great to not get any kinks, so I used this. It's not the sexiest, but it's okay. I don't know what it is. I don't know, I guess partly I'm using a good conditioner. I'm using the mask from Bleach London, and the Perfect Hair Day thing is really good. I've also tried it with the Kerastase Cement Thermique, and that always works really well. And my hair is just so soft, shiny, which it never is, because blonde hair, it's never shiny. It's very fine, it's very porous, it's really hard to get it shiny, and it looks really terrible when it's just a little bit dirty because it just looks dirty and greasy. Very hard to hide dirt on, especially natural blonde hair, because it's not that light. It has some depth to it. It's not like bleached blonde hair, and then that always looks great, the platinum one, even if it's really dirty. So here's the situation with my hair. I just came back. I've been out for a couple of hours. I just thought it would be a good moment to show you because I have good light. So you can see it looks very smooth, it's very soft. Obviously it's my natural texture, so there's nothing that can be done about that, but it's my natural texture behaving, you know? Like, this is the kind of hair that I would be comfortable and I would feel beautiful in. That's the difference with just leaving it. this is a controlled, and you can see that it does get pretty curly because my hair is pretty curly, especially underneath. But it's not that frizzy. It's actually shiny and quite nice.